What is going on, drivers? Today, working on my 2019 Freightliner Coronado, and I'm doing a LED interior light upgrade. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you what you need and how to do it. Be right back. Alright, drivers, just a couple tools that you're going to need. You will need a small flathead screwdriver. That you will have to have. The needle nose pliers are optional. Let's move those out of the way. Now, the bulb in the bottom of the door is this 194, just a common halogen bulb. We're going to replace it with this 194 from Amazon. These 194s, you can get these for $10 for 10 on Amazon. This festoon bulb is what it's called. It's called a festoon bulb. Is in the up above your head, map light, what have you. We're going to change that out, and we're going to put these. They're 41 millimeter festoon LEDs. I think two of these is about. I think these are about $5 a piece. I believe these are a higher quality than some of the other ones I bought. Very, very bright. These things are ridiculously bright at night. And on my dome light, there are two of these. These are 912s. Either 912 or 921, either one. But these are the same almost as 194s. It doesn't matter which way you put them in, one way or the other, they're going to light up and they're going to last. So you get 10 of these for $10. You can use them in your personal vehicle. These are about $5 a piece. They usually come in packs of 2 or 4, sometimes 10. There are cheaper ones out there like this. These are just a little more expensive. And these are like 4 of them for $10. So for about $30, you're going to upgrade the lighting in your Freightliner. It's pretty good. So let's get started. Come down here to your door. There's a little bitty slot right there. Work your screwdriver underneath the slot and then push in, and you have to push that tab in, okay? Right there it says lock and unlock. So pretty much want to go to the unlock, get the bulb. Now, since I've had this door open for a little while, I'm going to just take my needle nose pliers and grab a hold of the bulb. Forgive me for doing it one-handed. Get your bulb out of there. Okay. Alright, guys, come on in here with your 194 LED. Plug it in. See, take it out. And it'll plug in that direction too. Very, very simple. Put your socket back in your lens, give it a twist till it clicks. Now on this end, there's a little divot right in here that catches the door panel. On this end is your clip. Just put it back in, push your clip in. Bam, done with that. Alright, now come on up to the dome light. Now there's a clip right here. You can try to pry in there and get it. But right here there's a hinge, and it'll just fall out. So your little hinge points, and there's the clip point. Now this festoon bulb is going to be really hot because this door has been open for a while. So you can use your needle nose pliers or take your screwdriver, come in from the side, pull it out. Ow, that's hot. Now we're going to go in here with our LED festoon. Bam, very bright. Golly, that's bright. Just pop those in there real quick. Try not to push on the center too hard, because you can break the center from the ends if you're not careful. Awesome, done with that. All right, let's go on up here to the top. Use your screwdriver. Pry the two pieces out of the top. Pull those two bulbs out. Put these bulbs in. Put your cover back on. Damn, that's bright. All right, guys, there it is. LED lighting upgrade on the interior of the Freightliner. This is a Coronado. Columbia is the same way. So if you don't have LED lights, they're very, very cheap nowadays. They're very cheap. So, yeah. So this is the dome light. This one comes on only when you turn the switch on. There's a switch off. And these lights up here come on whenever your door comes on. You also have these cool LED for night vision lights, really. And there's some of these up underneath the dash too, which helps you see stuff at night time. If you drop something in the floor, you're trying to write something down on a piece of paper, and you don't want the glare on the windshield to be bothering you. But if you like my video, give me a thumbs up, guys. I sure much do appreciate it. Give me a subscribe. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. Ask a question, what have you. I always try to answer when it's within reason. You know, I try to answer you guys. So, yeah, I appreciate it. So keep your knees in the breeze and the shiny side up. Appreciate you watching.